Decluttering is probably the worst part about moving. We're gonna jump in here and give you some tips and tricks on how to declutter, what to look for, how to get rid of some of your furniture. My name is Nick Crozier. I run a team out of the GTA West at Etobicoke and Mississauga. We're a full service team that helps with the selling and buying. This is probably the most daunting task of most people, especially when they're downsizing or making an upsize, because you got so much crap. So what we're gonna go over here, an easy hack, think of this acronym, BSKT, basket. So think about basket, putting everything in there. Buy, sell, keep, toss. Easy way to think about it. Am I gonna keep this item, toss it, or am I gonna buy something new and is it sellable? What I mean by sellable too is you gotta think to yourself, right? Yes, you've had it, it's beautiful wood, it's mahogany, it's been there, it's a nice desk, a nice dresser. The reality is if it's 15, 20 years old, no one's gonna buy it for the most part. If it's gonna be under the sell category, right? Start going onto Facebook Marketplace, take a photo of it, upload everything onto Facebook Market. And if you have an item that's not getting any hits, you don't know what's going on, there's only two reasons. It's gonna be the price or nobody wants it. So what I normally do, start it at a price you think it would be worth, just literally search what similar items are selling for and start tossing them all on Facebook Marketplace. Put them all in the garage so it's easy, accessible. Someone can come pick them up, easy to do. And then your last step, if nobody wants to buy it, put it on Facebook Marketplace or Kijiji as free item pickup. Sometimes people will just come and take them and try to resell them. That's one way to sell or get rid of your items. If you're gonna toss it, what we use, we usually use Furniture Bank, 1-800-GOT-JUNK, or Value Village. Value Village is great for like plates, trinkets, forks, knives, if it's an investment property or an Airbnb and you just want to get rid of stuff and give it away. Value Village is great for that. Furniture Bank is great because they'll come pick up everything for you and they give you a tax receipt. So kind of a bonus in that regard, gets rid of all your stuff. And then again, 1-800-GOT-JUNK, a little bit more complicated to work with. Their pricing's a little bit, it varies. With us and our team, we actually have a moving team that will do this for us. So that's number one. Number two, if you're thinking of making the move over the next year or two, run your move like the season. So all the kids stuff that was going through the winter stuff, let's start boxing that up. Start putting it away, labeling it, getting everything ready to go, put it in the shed, put it in the garage. That's the easiest way to kind of get your transition and changeover. If you're thinking next year, same thing. As you go into the fall this year, all the summer stuff, start to sell it in August. Get rid of it now so that you're almost changing over nothing. So that when you're ready to sell, if it is gonna be in February, March of the next year, right? All your summer stuff's packed, ready to go, and you're already planning that ahead so that when you go to the new house, it's just about unloading those items. And then my last tip, put an empty box in every room. So what I mean by that is in each of the kids' rooms, put a box, leave that empty box in there. You can have some fun with it and get the kids to put some stuff away in it. Where I like to start with my stuff is go top, main, bottom. Why I go that? Because usually you're sleeping, your clothes, everything's upstairs. So that's where you change over everything that way. Move the items that you're not gonna be using. The main floor is usually last because there's a lot more items that you're gonna be using. And basement, normally that's your storage area. So that's where you're gonna sift through most of your stuff. And again, there are people, we do have another person that we help that does packing for you. So part of our team, we do have that as an extra service. They'll actually come in, organize, pack, and do everything for you. So there's all those little things that we do, but if you're prepping your home and you're getting in there, getting ready to go, the easiest way right now to prep that up, get rid of all your personal items, all the personal photos, everything off the walls, take down the photos, the picture frames, everything like that, because the staging will bring all that in. You don't need to worry about keeping any of your stuff up. And then once you're down to what you want to sell or toss, get the companies in there that are going to take everything in one batch to toss, and then start putting the items on Facebook Marketplace as the summer, the spring, as that season of that item goes. Those are some tricks, some ideas, some things to get the decluttering process started for that when you're gonna sell your home. Because again, we wanna showcase that home with less items inside. So if you're planning to move anyways, start packing up the house and then give us a call. So to recap, when you're decluttering, what to think about here, these are the main ones here. Get rid of all the personal stuff, take all the paintings, photos, everything off the walls. The staging will cover that, you don't need to worry about it. Number two, remember our acronym BASKET. BSKT, buy, sell, keep, toss. Think about that when you're looking at items. And then again, have those empty boxes, bins ready to go in every room. So as you go through your rooms, you're just tossing stuff in there, get the kids to play along with it, and then go top, middle, basement. That's how I would organize my declutter. Happy decluttering. If you like this video, share it with a friend, someone moving. If you follow along on our channel, we cover everything real estate related in the GTA West, Etobicoke, Mississauga. Smack subscribe, share it with a friend. We'd love to have you following along.